Hello guys, welcome to the Biscuit. I am Camelia and today a bit different video than usual. Today a quick fix to OBS black screen when you try to do a display capture on laptops run on two different graphic cards. Hybrid laptops, you may say. So basically in ideal world, you would like to press a recording button and you could record whatever you wanted. You would record your desktop, whatever you did on it. You would record your file manager, file explorer, your web browser, your game. It wouldn't matter if you would move from the window to window, whether you would go back to desktop. You could have it all on one video. And yes, I could have it on my PC. But since I moved to my laptop because my PC has been taken by my son, I ran into the difficulties. It didn't bother me that much since now, but I decided that I may need it. I may need to be able to record my desktop. So I needed to find a fix to the issue. I use 3 different recording software. Depends on my mood and on my needs. GeForce Experience was my #1 before. OBS Studio sometimes for some tasks, and since I moved to the laptop I started to use Xbox Game Bar. The reason why I started to use Xbox Game Bar is only because it spits out smaller files than GeForce Experience, and the loss of the quality is just slight, so I could live with it. So yeah, for the sake of smaller files, I started to use that one, but I think it depends on my mood, what I fancy at that time. So now, before I go any further, coming back to 2 different cards, graphic cards. The default Intel graphic card I have, and the NVidia graphic card. I'm not a hardware specialist and stuff. I don't know how it works, which card is being chosen for which task, actually. I know one thing for sure, that the games are being run on an NVIDIA card and desktop on Intel card. And the recording software, guys, it runs by default on an NVIDIA graphic card. So it uses the NVIDIA graphic card to record, and it also records only the processors that are using NVIDIA graphic card as well. So what NVIDIA is displaying at that time, the recorder is recording. So because desktop is using Intel, the NVIDIA is not displaying it, so there is a black screen. That's why you get a black screen in the OBS when you try to record the desktop. I hope you understand. I don't know, it is a bit odd and weird. I thought to try to force software to record my desktop. OBS Studio. I thought that's gonna be the easiest. I already prepared it, sorry. And I was right. It is the easiest. It is absolutely easy fix. Although guys, I am sorry, life is not that beautiful as it could be. You can't still just press the button and record everything. You have to choose whether you are recording desktop or whether you're recording other stuff. I didn't actually test it fully yet, so let's do few tests together, guys. So now, as you can see, guys, is a black screen. My OBS is running on the default settings and is using NVIDIA card, and you can't get a desktop. You got a black screen. You can still, though, get your browser. Yeah, your browser works fine. It is still, you can still record your browser, as well as you can still record your file explorer, which I was surprised. I thought I'm not gonna be able to record my file explorer. I have nothing in there, but yeah, you can still record your file explorer. Quite cool. Wasn't sure, but yeah. By default also, you can, of course, as I said before, record your game. So you go to the game, you play, and you can record this all by default. So all actually is quite good. It's not a big deal, because you can still have your web browser and file explorer, but still not enough for me. So I want this, I want this to what? Guys, I want to see the display capture. I don't know why. I may need it, so just please work, okay? So now we're going to the quick fix. We just need to force OBS to use the Intel card. There was some option, some other explanation I found. The other fix was to go to the NVidia control panel, go to the manage 3D settings and change stuff in here in the program settings. Surprise, surprise, guys, it didn't work, so we're not even gonna go through it. So now, the thing you were waiting for, the thing you were just listening to my monologue for so long, the fix. You go to the Start button, right click, System. You are in a system. You go to the display. You go to the bottom of the display and get graphics settings. And now you go to browse and you have to browse your OBS. I think mine is on a data, apps, wherever your OBS is installed, you have to find it and add it. When you add your OBS, as you can see, Windows decides whichever graphic card is being used. We don't want Windows to decide, we want options, and we can choose. We can choose whether we want a high performance, our NVIDIA card, or we want power saving with our Intel card. And yes, I want the power saving to record the desktop. So I press power saving, I press save, and it is sorted. Now I will just need to restart my OBS, obviously. And that should work. Alright, this is the moment we are waiting for. Da da da! It works, guys! It works! Success! So now I can record my desktop. So this is what we wanted to get. We wanted to record our desktop. So let's just see, guys, if I can still record my Windows, guys, which I set up before, and they did work with the default setups of the OBS or running on the NVIDIA card. So anyway, if I switch this off, can I see the window? It looks like I can't, but it is a quick fix to it. It's not that one. Yeah, it was that one. See, you just need to refresh, like open it, and yeah, you can still record your Windows. What's happening on your Windows? Great, it's still seeing it. And how about the file? Yes, refresh it, please. Let's say this one. Oh, as you can see. Perfect. 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 You can still record your file explorer. How about your game? Black. Can we refresh it? I'm afraid we can't, because as I said before, you need to unfortunately choose whether you record the desktop or whether you record your game. So we're coming back to the OBS now, and unfortunately it's still a black screen. But now, let's have a go. Let's record. I wonder if I can use two recorders. Because that one actually is a different recorder. It's very interesting. I'm using two recorders at the same time. Very interesting. Very interesting. Anyway, let's see if that's gonna do anything. So I've got my screen. I want to record my desktop. Yes, I want to record whatever I'm pleased. I want to record it. Fine, fine. I hope it is recording properly. Let's have a look. A browser. Yes, let's Google something. Oh, PewDiePie. We should be able to record the browser. We are back to our desktop. We are back to our file explorer. Back to desktop. And let's check what happens if we play a game. Because I don't know. That's not the full screen. We can go to the full screen. Do you think that's gonna work? I don't know. I don't know. Alright, and we're back to OBS. And we stop recording. Alright guys, I found it. I really forgot where I saved it. Okay, so it was a success, guys. And it actually was bigger success than I expected because it recorded the game as well. Let's just have a look what I recorded after changing the settings to the Intel. So this is all what I recorded, or what I was showing to you. All works fine. All works fine. You can record the desktop. You can record your files. You can actually record everything. So this is like a one press button. It is as it worked as it should work, as it used to work on my computer. And it even recorded the game. You can see in a minute. It even recorded the Roblox. I don't know how other games, guys. I don't know. It probably will work. So, that's quite interesting. I didn't expect that it would be recording that game. Because, when I was reading on the forums, it definitely said that the games will not be recorded. But obviously the game capture is not recording, as I showed you. But you can record it by the display capture. I would imagine, although, that the frame rate or the quality of the game recorded using the Intel graphic card would be much worse. It's not gonna be perfect game recording, especially for some heavy games. So I wouldn't use Intel graphic card to record your gameplay, guys. But this is a fix if you want to record a desktop, or even if you want to be able to show something in a game and on desktop when you want to be able to jump in between, but you don't need like a smooth running gameplay to be recorded. So this is actually very good. I am really pleased with the results. I'm really pleased. And if we want to change it back, we just, if we want to record nice gameplay without any issues, without any lagging, we just need to press options again and choose or let Windows decide or just high performance, so we are sure we're gonna get good results. And that's it, guys. I hope it helped some of you. I hope it's gonna help some of you, that video. I definitely am pleased with the solution. It's not the perfect solution, but it is good enough for me at the moment. So guys, good luck with your recordings and I hope to see you soon. Bye!